Hello guys, my name is Aishni. Welcome to my channel, and today I am in Darjeeling and I'm going to show you guys my experience in Darjeeling Joyride train. It's like a toy train on tracks, and right now I'm in the road. When I go there, I'll tell you more about this place. So we are here. So let me tell you more about this.
Darjeeling station.
It's nice. We are here at the Darjeeling station. As you can see there's one train. People are boarding it. I'm so excited. So this is my train which I'm going to be boarding in another 10 minutes of time.
This will go there and come here.
Okay, so now this train over here is going to come on platform number 2. So now the train has finally arrived and we are going to board. Our train is so this is our seat and I'm very excited to see it. Okay, now the train has started great. Now let me show you the view when we come out of the station. So let me tell you how this works. So for a few moments we are going to go. Then for 10 minutes we will have to stop and do whatever we want that time. I'm very excited. Are you? So the most interesting part is about this train that it is literally inside the city. It's nowhere outside like in a normal train. We are going in the city, like where homes and everything is. You can see. Yes. So I just came to know that the engine is so hot that the train just stopped. That's a very weird thing to see. But it will be starting now. It started. Great. This is so beautiful. Look at the clouds. So beautiful. Station. Oh my god, the view is so beautiful. There's a 15-minute break.
It's a Batasian.
It's a Batasian loop station. So let me show you. So this is a Batasian loop stop. It's very beautiful, as you can see. So we have a 15 minutes break, and this is one of the stops right now, which is there. Come on, let's see. Another train has come to this point. We are going to get to train. Now our 15-minute break is over. We are now going to move from Batasian Loop station. This is the second stop. We stopped here to see a railway museum is here. That's what the conductor said. So great. I really am interested to see this and show you guys as well. museum.
Mushroom ekledim.
Okay, so now I think we are going back to the station.